Hi, everyone, and welcome to day 122 of the Feathered Quest. Our bird of the day today is the Lesser Goldfinch. Lesser goldfinches are mini acrobats. When feeding on tall seed heads like my zinnias, they'll cling upside down, bending the stalk so they can access seeds from below while hanging in the breeze. Let's go find that daily feather. Well, thanks for coming along with me today, guys. Remember, you are loved, and the world is full of wonder. So, did we find our bird of the day?